Here is a review for Dodo Webview application. As you can see, on this application, you can challenge your movie knowledge and play exciting games, guess posters, match codes, and compete and achieve more by taking daily challenges and climb leaderboards and unlock premium features. You have to be ready to test your knowledge when it comes to this. As you sign in, this is the main page. As you can see, it is very colorful, and there is also a quick play for achievements. As you scroll down, you will see there poster guess. So on the poster guess, you can go ahead and click on it. After clicking on it, you will be redirected on the page where you can go ahead and see and look for the select difficulty. So let's say we are going to play on the easy level. Now what you need to do is just go ahead and guess the posters. Now you have a knowledge to the game, and this is good for these people who are in love with movies.